Good morning, students. As we have completed till 23F area of parallelogram, now we will come to exercise 23G, in which we will cover the topic area and circumference of circle. First of all, you all know that in a circle there is a center, and the line which goes from center to the surface of the circle is called the radius. This is radius. And when this line cuts both the end of the circle, that is a diameter. This you all know that. So relating to this radius and diameter, the area of circle, when radius is given, then it will be pi r square, and when diameter is given, you have to find the radius, that will be equals to half of the diameter. So, and for circumference of circle, circumference is a outer surface of a circle. ये जो outer boundary होती है इसे कहते हैं circumference, which we also call known as perimeter of circle. So formula for this is 2 pi r, or when diameter is given, then the formula of circumference is pi d. In this, the value of pi will be given to you 22 upon 7 or 3.14. So area of circle is pi r square. Circumference, when radius is given, it is 2 pi r, and when diameter is given, it is pi d. So relating to these formulas, we will do this exercise. So in question number 1, I am doing the second part. Find the area of a circle whose radius is 8.4 meter. Radius is given 8.4 meter, and we have to find the area of circle. So we have to apply the formula, which pi r square. Pi value they have given to you 22 by 7, but you should learn this value. 22 by 7 into 8.4 into 8.4. Both this decimal we can take it. 7 ones are 7 twos are. So you will multiply 22 into 12 into 84. When you will multiply, you will get 22176 upon 100. So make it decimal, 221.76 meters square. This is your answer. Now all these questions are relating to the formulas only. See question number 2. I am doing the first part. Find the area of a circle whose diameter is. Now diameter is given to you, that is first part 18.2 centimeter, and we have to find the area. So first of all we will find the radius. Radius मतलब r आपने find करना है. 18.2 upon 2. This will be equals to 9.1 centimeter. Now you will find the area of circle. Area of circle, again you will apply the formula pi r square. Pi value 22 upon 7 into 9.1 into 9.1. Take the decimal again. 7 ones are and 3s are. So after multiplying it, you will get 26026 upon 100. So it will become 260.26 centimeter square. So simply you have to apply the formula and substitute the value of pi, and you will get the answer. Now move forward with question number 3. Now we have to do the same type, but the pi value we have to take it as 3.14. See question number 3. First part, radius is given to you, that is 10 centimeter, and you have to find the area of circle. So area of circle, pi r square. 22 upon 7 into r is given, sorry, here you have to apply the pi value 3.14. अब उन्होंने कहा अपने पाई की वैल्यू क्या लेनी है, 3.14 into radius 10 into 10. Cut the take out the decimal, you will get 100. 0 and zeros are cut. What will be the area? 314 centimeter square. Only difference is there. Here you have taken the value of pi 22/7 and here you have taken the value 3.14. In question number 4, we have to find the radius and circumference. Now radius and circumference you have to find, and area is given to you. Area of circle is given to you. I am taking the second part. Now area of circle, that is given 186.34. We have to apply the formula pi r square equals to 186.34. Now when the pi value is not given to you, you will take it 22/7. So जब pi की वैल्यू नहीं दी होगी तो आपने क्या लेना है? 22/7 into r square equals to 186.34. So r square is equals to 186.34. 22/7 will be reciprocal to the right hand side. 7/22 into 100. Now r square is equals to, you have to do the cutting. 2 से cutting करोगे 11, 2 9s are, 2 3s are, 1 and 7. You can cut it with 11 also. Cut by 11, it will come 847. So 847 into 7, this. So when you will multiply 847 by 7, it will come 5929. Now square, you already know when square goes to that side become root. 5929 upon 100. 5929, it is a root of 77. जब आप फैक्टर मेथड से 5929 के करोगे तो उसका स्क्वायर रूट क्या आएगा? 77. और 100 का स्क्वायर रूट क्या होता है? 10. So radius has come 7.7 centimeter. Now we have to find the circumference. Now circumference of circle, when radius is given, formula will be 2 pi r. So 2 into 22/7 into 7.7. Take the decimal. This will come 11. So 44 into 11. You will get 484 upon 10. That is equals to 48.4 centimeter. Answer. Area is always in square and circumference as it is a perimeter, so the unit will be meter or centimeter. Now we will move forward with question number 5. It is also same, but we have to take the value of pi as 3.14. First part, area is given 200.96 centimeters square. So we have to find the radius and circumference, and pi value you have to take it 3.14. Area pi r square equals to 200.96. First you will find the radius from here. Pi की वैल्यू क्या रखनी है? 3.14. r square equals to 200.96. r square equals to 200.96 upon 3.14. Decimal, 2 decimal है, कट हो गए. Now you have to do the cutting. 2 से अगर कटिंग करो, 2 1s are, 5s are and 7s are. Again numerator with 2, 100, 2 4s are and 2 8s are. Now we will straight cut it. 157 से कट करेंगे तो it will goes by 64. आप डिवाइड करके देखना 10048 को 157 से, it will go by 64. तो r square is equals to 64. So we will make the factors of this, क्योंकि रूट लेना आपने. Take the factors. This will be of 8. 64 किसका रूट होता है? 8 centimeter. Now radius you got it, 8 centimeter. You will find the circumference of circle. That is 2 pi r. 2 into 3.14 into 8. You will multiply it and you will get the circumference of a circle. आपने यहाँ पे multiply करके simple values लिखनी है. So for today you will complete it question number 1 to 5 in your notebook, and tomorrow we will start the problems relating to the circle. Thank you.